What's up, you guys? It's your man Jace, and I'm going to teach you how to tie a bow tie. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take whichever your dominant hand is. I'm right-handed, so my dominant hand is my right hand. You want to make that longer than your left side, just like a regular necktie. And what you want to do, you want to take this right side and cross it over to the left. You want to come up, over and under, and back down to the left, and you want to tighten it. You want to take this longer piece and drape it over your shoulder. We're going to use that later. What you want to do, I use my left hand to make the bow. So the pointy end here is to my right side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to drape the long side over. And now I'm going to pin these two tails, right? These two ears if you have it. And what that does, it creates a hole. If you can see it there, it creates a hole. So what you want to do, you want to take this part and this bigger part right here, you want to feed it through the hole. And from there, you just adjust. It's a lot harder to do without a mirror, but we're gonna make it work. Also, a pro tip is that to make it tighter, you wanna pull from the back. You just wanna keep adjusting until it's good enough for you and how you like it. There we go. And voila, you tied your first bow tie. All right.